is how to use the live trace option. It's really neat. So I'm just going to pick an image here and I'm going to place it on my page. So I'll pick a picture of Audrey Hepburn. All right, I'm placing a picture of Audrey Hepburn on my page. I'm going to size it up so you can see all of it. So this is now a raster image, right? So if I were to blow this thing, let me go way out. If I were to blow this thing way up and zoom in, you can see all the pattern and pixelization in the image, okay? So what using the live trace does is it eliminates that because it creates a vector image. So let's go up under the image trace tool up here. You have to have the image selected and we'll just go down to default. I never like default. It's just way too generic. It doesn't have enough information in it. So then what you want to do is you want to come to this toolbox here. Okay, it's the image trace panel. Open it up and now you can walk through each one of these. So let's see what it looks like after we pick high fidelity photo. So this will give you the most amount of options. Okay, looks pretty realistic. We can go low. Let's try just 3 colors. Okay. Now you can control, even though this says 6 and 16 colors, grayscale, you can actually control how many shades you want to use, right? So say I pick 3 colors. But then I decide I want some more, just go ahead and move the slide to whatever number you'd like. There's also some advanced settings that you can get into as well, but for now we can just stick with the basics. Okay. So now that I've created my trace outlines the way I want it to look, it's still just a raster. So if I go to view to outline, you can see it's just a blank box. Okay. But if I then say expand, see this button up here kind of in the middle? Now I really have a vector image. You can see all the lines. So let's say I take my direct select tool. I select this section. I can go up under selection, same fill color. Okay, there's several of them. And just for fun, I can just add in a color here, right? Which will show you how you can use this to your benefit when you're recreating an image. The best part is, say you need to blow up this to fit on the side of a moving van. You can blow it way up and the quality will always be this good, okay? Because now it's been vectorized and it's actually a vector graphics. So no matter what size you make it, it's always going to look exactly the same as far as quality and resolution. So that's the live trace